So now we have a new place to put our documents, and as part of every Microsoft account that you might put on your Windows 8 machine. It's available to you right now, basically, and it's called the SkyDrive. It's right down here where you see the clouds and the blue sky and everything like that. Why clouds? Because it is a hard drive in the clouds, you could say. It's available through the network. You can save everything to the SkyDrive. And when you first get Windows 8, it might be a little confusing to you when you go to save something and it says SkyDrive. And you think, SkyDrive? What's a SkyDrive? Where is that? Is that little blue drive that I have on my laptop or my desktop or my Surface? No. It's someplace out on the internet where you can, for free, store stuff. So without further ado, let's click on the SkyDrive. And then you can see pretty blue with clouds. And there we have it. SkyDrive, 3 items. I haven't done anything to this yet, so this is basically what you should see out of the box, you could say. We have 3 different folders. Now, the folders are kind of, let's just say, don't look like folders. And you can see you got pictures, you got public, and you got documents. Now, the idea behind public is this, that instead of attaching something to an email and sending it to somebody, how about you put it in your public shared SkyDrive? So after that point, you can just say, hey, I put it on my SkyDrive. This is where it is. Send them a link to it, and they can get to it. You don't have to send it, attach it to an email. They make a change, send it back to you. You say good, send it back to them. Pretty inefficient when you think about it. So what are the different settings that we can do for the SkyDrive to start off with? Well, here we go. Right click. And then you see down here, refresh, new folder, upload, details, select all. So here we're going to do a new folder. And what we're going to call it is Win 8. So the idea behind this, it's just pretend, but the idea behind this is that all the Windows 8 stuff that I'm doing for this course that I'm presenting, I'm going to put in the Windows 8 folder on my SkyDrive. Now, might be thinking, well, wait a minute, how about we just put it on the hard drive? Isn't that easier? Well, certainly it's easier. But think of this. What if you have multiple devices? Because Windows 8 is the first operating system that is designed to have it on your tablet, on your laptop, on your desktop at home, and on your desktop at work, all the same operating system. Well, wouldn't it be nice if we could just share a drive between all those different operating systems that you have? Yes, it would. And that's the idea behind the SkyDrive, that wherever you go, there's your SkyDrive. There's your documents. There's the stuff that you're working on in the SkyDrive. So what we're going to do is take a quick look at some of these other things that we have here. You can see details. And what details is going to do is just give us a slightly different view of what is on the SkyDrive, right? You can see here documents, not much happening, nothing happening. Because we haven't saved anything on here yet. But what you're going to see through your own experience and through, just say courses like this, that when you hit save something, it's going to pop up the SkyDrive. And now you know what the SkyDrive is all about. Wherever you go, you can put your information, your documents, etc., what you're working on the SkyDrive. So if you go somewhere else, in other words, another different computer, you have what you had before. You don't have to put it on a thumb drive and any kind of convoluted way you had of doing it before. You can just put it right on the SkyDrive. So here you can see refresh in case you had different documents, create a new folder, upload something, change the view, and select everything inside of your SkyDrive. So that is a look at the SkyDrive in Windows 8.